Okay, 79 is factorable equation, and in this case we are doing factoring by grouping. So you select by couple, the greater common factor on the first couple is x squared. Inside the balance you have x plus 1, and the greater common factor in the second couple is -1. Now we have x plus 1 is common factor again, and we have x squared minus 1. We don't complete the factorization because this is different of the square. So it's x plus 1, and you separate into is x plus 1 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is solution, in this case repeated. One solution is -1, the multiplicity is 2, and another solution is +1. The solution set is -1, 1. Okay, 81 is similar. It's by grouping. The greater common factor here is x squared. We have x minus 3. And the greater common factor between this and this is -4. I factor out -4, we have x minus 3 equal to 0. Then x minus 3 is common factor, x squared minus 4 equal to 0. As we have difference of a square, and the factorization is x 2 because the square root 4 is 2 plus or minus equal to 0. So we have 3 factors, 3 solutions. The first solution is 3. Remember guys, the solution is completely opposite sign to the factorization. This is a negative positive. It's positive and negative. And this is 2. Now the solution set for this equation is 3, -2, +2. Okay. Again, this is factorable equation, but let me organize in a standard form. This is 2x cubic minus x squared minus ax plus 4 equal to 0. Now apply factorization by grouping. GCF here is x squared 2x minus 1. GCF here is minus 4 is 2x minus 1. And 2x minus 1 is common factor. In the second parenthesis we have x squared minus 4. We have difference of a square again, 2x minus 1. And the factorization here is square root x squared is x, and the square root 4 is 2 plus or minus. So one solution is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal 1 divided by 2, x is equal 1/2. And the other solution is -2, and another solution is +2. So the solution set is 1/2, -2, +2. Okay, 85 again is this factorable equation. Let me organize in standard form. 5x cubic minus 2x squared plus 45x stay here minus 18 equal to 0. Right hand side must be 0, standard form. I'm organizing descending of the degree 3, 2, 1, 0. Now what is the greater common factor here? X squared. 5x minus 2. What is the greater common factor in this case? N9. N9. 9, we have 5x minus 2. Now the factor 5x minus 2 is common factor. I factor out, and inside we have x squared plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, is yes. The one solution is 5x minus 2 equal to 0, and x squared plus 9 equal to 0. The first solution is 5x equal to divided by 5, both sides, 2 over 5. And the other solutions are complex. And they don't want complex. The question says find the real. Square root this, x is equal, plus or minus 3i. I don't like this. Only solution set of the real is 2 over 5. Okay, again it's a factorial equation. I saw that the expression x squared minus 3x is repeated here on here. Factor out the greater common factor. What is the greater common factor? The greater common factor always is the smaller exponent. Entonces es x squared minus 3x raised to the 1/3 I put out. Inside we have x plus 2 something. If I have 4 here and you factor out 1, stay 3, and 3 over 3 is only 1. Entonces x squared minus 3x. Close the parenthesis equal to 0. Okay, let me manipulate this part. This is x squared minus 3x raised to the 1/2 bracket x plus, distribute the property here, is 2x squared minus 6x equal to 0. Finally, x squared minus 3x raised to the 1/2 bracket, this is 2x squared minus 5x equal to 0. So we apply the zero factor rule. We have two equations. This is the first equation equal to 0, and the second equation is 2x squared minus 5x equal to 0. It's obvious in this case you, for example, you square both sides, and square 0 is 0, entonces x squared minus 3x equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, but a super easy quadratic equation. You solve it by factoring. X is common factor, x minus 3 equal to 0, and we have two solutions. One solution is 0, another solution is 3. And this equation is 2x squared minus 5x. It's similar. X is common factor, 2x minus 5 equals 0. Again, we have 0 solution, and 2x minus 5 equals 0. 2x equals 5 divided by 2. X is equal 5 over 2. Okay, so what is the solution set of this equation? Solution set is 0, but only one time, not necessarily 2 times. 0 because it's the same element, 3, and 5 over 2. Is the solution set for this equation.